critical thinking and problem solving, making connections, learning the skill. The ancient Egyptian pharaohs were not the only leaders who had big responsibilities. Anyone who takes a leadership position, a U.S. president, a school principal, or a neighborhood organizer, needs to have certain skills and abilities. Leaders must be good at listening to and guiding others. They must also be of good character, honest, responsible, unselfish, and thoughtful. They may not always be popular, but they always want the best for their communities. Good leaders know how to do the following. Number 1, identify goals for everyone, not just themselves. Number 2, inspire themselves and others to do their best. Number 3, recognize that no one is perfect, but everyone is good at something. Number 4, imagine how the future could be better for the whole community. And number 5, put the group or community's interests ahead of their own. Practicing the skill. Read the paragraph about the Egyptian pharaohs. Then use the information from it, your textbook, and your own experiences to complete the graphic organizer on slide 2. A pharaoh's responsibilities. As Egypt's all-powerful leader, the pharaoh had both political and religious responsibilities. As the leader of the state, the pharaoh was responsible for protecting and expanding the Egyptian empire. The pharaoh would lead armies in battle and issue commands. As a religious leader, the pharaoh was the head of the Egyptian religion. Egyptians considered the pharaoh to be a god. The pharaoh would perform religious rites. He or she would take part in ceremonies so that harvests would be good and the Nile would flood. As a result, the pharaoh had to be confident, strong, responsible, intelligent, and willing to take risks. The pharaoh also had to place the interests of the Egyptians ahead of his or her own. Now slide 2. You must complete the graphic organizer on this slide. Under the column for qualities or skills of leaders, we want you to jot down 6 qualities. Under the middle column for number 2, we would like you to jot down 6 responsibilities of pharaohs. And number 3, qualities or skills of leaders and pharaohs. Try and jot 6 down in the yellow highlighted section. Slide 3, applying the skill. Identify a leader you admire. He or she may be someone you know, such as a coach or a teacher. The person may be someone you have read about, such as a political leader or historical hero. Think of several leadership skills that the person has shown. Use the chart on slide 2 to help you. Then write a short paragraph about that person as a leader. How well did he or she lead others? What was that person's greatest achievement as a leader, and why? Answer this question in 6 to 8 sentences below. Use your answers from slide 2 in that graphic organizer to help you.